So I got an order for single soaps packed individually as gifts, some for girls, some for ladies, some for men, and some for boys. For the guys, I want to go ahead and have a look. These paisleys, I love this kind of pattern here. So I think this would fit. And then I have another one here with this safari type of animal print, jute bag looking, or this cork here. Why not? Now for the guy soaps, these are a little bit more like on the toned down or neutral type of side here, more brown colors and so forth, maybe a blue, So I'm gonna take some paper that in my opinion fits better for this type of soap. Now with the envelope punch board, not only can you make cute envelopes, but you can also make a box that fits exactly the size of your soap, like you can see here on this one. So, and I'm going to show you how. I'm not going to go into all the details because I have a separate video on how you can calculate it, but I'm just going to show you here. I already made my math beforehand, so I know exactly where I need to punch. First and second punch is the one that we need. So I'm going to punch at 6 centimeters, 0.2. First punch. And then I'm going to score. I'm going to slide it over to 9 centimeters, 0.8. This is, of course, depending on the size of your soap. And then that's it for the math. Now, the only thing you will do is turn around the paper and just basically align the scored line here to this guide. And then you punch, and then you score. You slide it over to the next scored line. You punch. You score, turn it over 90 degrees basically, and then you're gonna do the same thing on all 4 sides. For me personally, creating these handmade boxes is first of all very therapeutic, but also it gives the handmade product an extra special touch to it. This is just in my opinion. Of course, I'm aware it's very time consuming, but for such a client who just ordered 25 soaps, she's also spending quite some money. Therefore, I'm totally happy to go the extra mile and just make something that would really be nice for the people she wants to give these soaps to. So I'm just gonna add some slits here to the side of the box, so to speak, and then I'm just gonna add some adhesive so I can assemble the box. I like to take my roller glue. You can take any type of adhesive. I just go ahead and I add it to all the 4 corners so I don't have the problem of, fiddling around. So you just wanna add these 2 to this side of the box, and you can see the box already coming together beautifully. And then you can just add your soap, close the box. Now I'm going to show you some ideas on what you can put on a man's package just a little bit later when I did all the packages for these men's soap. So these boxes are made now. I just want to close them up a little bit nicely. And I do have the scraps here, so I want to go ahead and see how I can add some variations. Color punch, absolutely love it. So I think it would look great just like that. And then add such a twine here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add such a thank you label. Add some Scotch tape first to the box and then a double-sided Scotch tape to the back. And I think it looks super cute. For these boxes here, I'm gonna change things up a little bit. I'm gonna be adding the staple first so that the sticker can cover the staples. And then the double-sided tape on the other side makes it very easy and fast. And then the last one. And here are the finished boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in other videos around handmade packaging and soap making projects, please check out the playlist here on the screen where you will find many more. See you in the next video and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.